Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your site to AdSense. First, you will need a Google account to sign up for AdSense. Visit the AdSense website and click Get Started. You'll provide your website's URL and your payment details. Make sure all information is accurate. Finally, review and accept the AdSense terms and conditions to complete your application. This is the initial step to begin earning revenue. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a unique AdSense code. Log into your AdSense account and find this code in the Ads section. It's a small snippet of HTML. You must copy this entire code. Then, paste it directly into the head section of your website's HTML. This ensures AdSense can verify your site and display ads correctly across all pages. After placing the code, AdSense will review your site. This crucial step ensures your website complies with all AdSense program policies. The review usually takes a few days, but it can sometimes extend to 2 weeks. During this period, ensure your content is high quality, original, and provides a good user experience. AdSense looks for valuable content that adheres to their strict guidelines. Congratulations, your site is approved. AdSense will now start showing ads. You can choose to use AdSense Auto Ads, which automatically place ads for you, or manually create and place specific ad units. Experiment with different ad formats and locations. Regularly monitor your ad performance in your AdSense account. Adjusting placements and types can significantly improve your earnings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.